everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening a super cute box. This is called Gramma in a Box. I think this is the third one I have received, so this is obviously the August box. And a pile of boxes and bags my cat's currently laying on, if you hear that. Hey Archer. So Gramma in a Box is super cute. You get 3 different activities every month that relates to creating fun snacks so you could do like with your grandma, your kids, or you could be a grandma or a family member sending them to someone else. It's a fun family activity and even a fun solo activity, I can attest to that. So your first box is only $10 and then it is $20 after that. So if you're interested, especially after watching this unboxing, I will leave the link down below. I will also link down below any giveaways I currently have going on. No baby, my cat's seriously trying to open my balls out in a bag right now. Come here. Nope. I wish I could just move my camera easier for you guys to see. But what I was saying is I will link down below 2 giveaways that are currently active on our channel, so if you have not entered, definitely do so. But let's get unboxing and see what's in the August Gramma in a Box. I open up the box, this is what I see, so everything is wrapped up nicely, and there's a cute sticker with Gramma on it. And there are some cards that talk about what your activities are, and then all of the ingredients are underneath. So let's read the first one. It says, August 2019 Beach Party Treats. Welcome to the August Gramma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects including goldfish bowls, seashell pretzels, and sea life cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cooking candy crafts with Gramma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. You can also watch my step-by-step YouTube videos by going to YouTube and searching Gramma in a Box August 2019. I am working on a back-to-school theme for next month. If you have already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is September 3rd for the next box as we ship the first week of every month. Awesome, and then on the back of that card it lists all the contents. And then here are the project cards. So project number 1 is goldfish bowls. It says, for this project, you will need the goldfish crackers, marshmallows, graham cracker crumbs, and melting chocolate from your box. You also need a paper plate, spoon, and microwave and small microwave-safe bowl. Gramma says, be sure to make this project near the edge of your wax paper so that they don't get in the way of your next project. And it tells you directions after that. Unpack the marshmallows and goldfish crackers. So here we have some marshmallows. And here are the goldfish crackers, multicolored. And then it says pour the graham cracker crumbs onto a paper plate. So here are the graham cracker crumbs. And then pour the chocolate discs into a small microwave-safe bowl and heat in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir with a spoon and repeat for another 15 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. So chocolate discs, it must be this, the melting chocolate. So blue and white, super cute. And then it says, do not overheat or you will scorch your chocolate. Holding the marshmallows with your fingers, carefully dip the marshmallows into the chocolate, covering it about halfway up. And then dip the bottom of the marshmallow into the graham cracker crumbs and lay on the wax paper to set up. And then quickly place 1 or 2 goldfish crackers into the chocolate on the side of the marshmallow so that it sticks into the chocolate. It will take about 5 minutes for your goldfish bowls to be set up. Then you can remove them from the wax paper. I'm not sure if you could see, but that picture tells you or shows you. And on the back it has the list of the ingredients, which is super nice, especially if you have a food allergy or something like that. So that is project number 1. The second project is seashell pretzels. Oh, this is cute. It says, for this project you will need the container of pretzels. So here we go with the pretzels. Gosh, this is making me hungry. I don't eat till noon, or I'm trying to get back into that. It's 11:25 right now. Just look. It says the container of chocolate seashells, along with the leftover melted chocolate from project 1. Oh, here, these must be the chocolate seashells. And then you will also need a fork. If necessary, reheat the melting chocolate for 30 seconds, stir with spoon until smooth. Take the seashells and pretzels out of their containers and lay on your wax paper. The wax paper, by the way, is on the bottom of the bag. There's still some stuff on it, but that's super nice that is included. Open the container of white pearl sprinkles. So here are those. Everything is just cutely packaged, totally easy to find. Take the seashells and pretzels out of their containers and lay on your wax paper. Oops, I already said that line. Excuse that. Working quickly, drop one pretzel into the melted chocolate. Using a fork, flip the pretzel over until both sides are coated with chocolate. Grandma says, be careful not to put too much chocolate on the pretzels so that you have enough for all 6 pretzels. Quickly set the pretzel onto wax paper, add a pinch of white pearl sprinkles, and place 1 chocolate seashell on top of the decoration. It will take about 5 minutes for the pretzels to set up, then you can remove them from the wax paper and enjoy. And then again, the ingredients are in the back, and here, if you could see, I'm sorry you can't, but there is a picture of the completed project there. And the third project, Sea Life Cookie Decorating. For this project, you'll need the cookies. We've got a lot of cookies in here, some that are shaped like fish, so cute. And then we have several shaped as stars, and that looks like a seashell. You also need scissors, frosting. So we have 3 colors of frosting here. Very cute sea colors. So you've got like sea green type color, it's like orangey color, and white. Sprinkles, so there's several different sprinkles in here. Here's like a assorted color of sprinkles. Here's some yellow looking ones and some blue. So like I said, you'll also need scissors, a small paper plate, 1 or 2 knives for spreading frosting, and toothpicks for decorating techniques, which is optional. Gently knead the frosting bags for a minute if it looks like the frosting is separated during shipping. Carefully snip a small piece of the tip of the frosting bag. Gently squeeze all the air out of the bag until the frosting starts to flow. We always get frosting with at least the last 3 months. And the way she sends it to us really does make it easy. You just seriously cut the bottom, ready to go. And it says, be careful not to cut the frosting hole too big. You can always cut off more after you test the flow. Thanks, Grandma. Test the amount of frosting coming out by drawing a line on the edge of your wax paper. You can cut off more of the tip if the frosting is too thin or too hard to push out. Remove the lid from the sprinkles and pour them onto a plate or into a separate bowl if you like. You can draw a design with the frosting or spread the frosting with a knife, and use the toothpicks, which are optional, to create swirly designs. See how many designs you can come up with. Grandma says, when pouring sprinkles on your cookie, hold the cookie over a paper plate, then by bending the paper plate, you can easily pour the leftover sprinkles back into the original container. Set the cookies off to the side about 15 minutes and arrange them on a plate or wrap them in plastic and give them as gifts. Check out my YouTube videos or Instagram for design ideas. And again, the ingredient list is on the back, and hopefully you could see here. So I know I'm not doing it this month, I apologize, but I plan to next month to actually make them in my video. I just ran out of time this month and these things expire, so I apologize. The last things in the box are the wax paper. So that is everything. How cute are all of these projects? And so yummy, right? This would be so fun to do, especially if you have children around, or just to do with yourself or some friends, your significant other, whoever you're with, or you're just yourself, like I said. These are very good quality snacks too. I've eaten them in the past few months. They're so yummy. So I think this is such a cute subscription. So if you're interested, again, the link will be down below along with my giveaway links. But let me know your thoughts down below on what you think of this box. Have you guys subscribed? If you're interested, remember you can get your first box for $10. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!